Okay, we're going to do number 7 on our page. It says it goes up the ramp with the sensor moved to the bottom and the cart rolls back down on its own. I'm going to go ahead and hit collect here. I'm going to get it in place and give it a little push up the ramp. It comes back down on its own and we stop it. What did that look like? That, my friends, is this right here. It's the same as what we just saw. The last one was a happy parabola because it had an acceleration that was in the positive direction. This one is a negative parabola. You see it's part of a negative parabola. I'm going to just zoom in right there. Looks so beautiful. And so the same things that we saw in the last time should just be flipped upside down. We started with a positive velocity that decreased to 0 since our slope started positive and decreased to 0, and then it became negative. So when we look at our velocity graph, then we should see a positive velocity that decreased to 0 and then continued on to become a negative velocity. And lastly, the slope of this is constant and negative. It's the same negative slope through the whole range. And so that's why we're going to put our negative acceleration is this right here. I won't bother zooming because it's going to zoom and exaggerate the artifacts, but you get what I'm saying there, hopefully. Cool. The really interesting thing is that I actually can't tell if it's moving forward, backward, or stopped at all by looking at the acceleration graph. So I don't really trust this acceleration graph for anything useful. There you go.